Are you an absolute beginner looking to find Revit tutorial specific to your needs? Look no further. In this tutorial, I will show you the step-by-step process of creating a project from scratch till the end. Whether you are diving in head first or you're looking to tiptoe your way into architectural designs using Revit, well, this tutorial is made specifically with you in mind. I will simplify each step to make it easy for you to follow along. Don't hesitate to pause the videos at intervals and practice the processes over and over again. I have included links to some of the files I've used in the descriptions below, and feel free to download and study these files as they are designed to complement your learning experience. I will show you the fundamental principles such as how to create grids, levels, walls, roofs, stairs, all the components that you will need to create in designing a building. For this tutorial, I've used Revit 2024 version, but if you are watching this video from the future and you're using a later version of the software, the principles I've taught in this video will work just fine. Also, in the description, you will find links as to how you can download the software free of charge if you are a student. And if you're looking to use the software for 30 days, there's also a link as to where you can download the trial version. But before I introduce you to the project, it's important, after all, to learn how to navigate around the Revit user interface. So it's appropriate that we begin our class by understanding the Revit user interface. Hey, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know your feedback in the comment sections below. Let's begin the class.